Hi, moms and dads. Welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also your kids are doing great. So, if you are someone who stays in Bangalore and you want to take your kids out and ensure that it's cost friendly and also ensure that there is a safe place for your kids where they can run around, where they can play, and also you can relax, then this is the place for you. This place is very well known. We all know this place. It's Kaban Park, and Kaban Park is really huge and there is so much of open space over here and so much of nature that you can also relax as a mom and dad, because after a whole week that we hustle, we go through so many things with so much of stress, and also definitely we need a day out where we can actually relax. And more than us, our kids also, they need a day where then they can relax. I say always that every day take your kids out, let it be even for 10-15 minutes also, it's completely okay, but please take them out because it's really important. When babies are in the house itself, they really go crazy, they start throwing tantrums, they get really upset and annoyed. And when you just take them out, you see the change in them. They will be more happier and they will feel more calmer, which is very important, because four walls, it's not okay for us as well as we adults and also for our kids. So it's very important. Take your kids out anywhere, it's okay, let it, you can take them to a park, or you can take them somewhere nearby, or maybe somewhere down the lane, anywhere it's okay, but just take them, because it's really important. Because when babies or kids, they stay home for a very long time, it's really not good, because they start getting annoyed by it and it's really something they will get traumatized. And so that's very important, that as a mom, as a dad, we ensure that we take them out even for a ride in the evenings also, it's completely okay. I mean, I ensure doing that. If there's a day where I was not able to take my baby out, I ensure that my husband, when he comes back from the office, we take my baby out for a ride. It's just 10-15 minutes a ride, we just go ahead and take a ride, and just we roam around and we come back home. So even that is completely okay, because it's just a change of uh, what you call environment for our kids, and also for us, even we will also feel really calmer and happier, which is really important. And also, as a mom and dad, we always focus more on the things like what a baby should eat, if a baby is eating healthy, or what a baby should wear, or what creams they should use, or what lotion they should use, or what body wash they should use, which brand they should use. These are the things that we are more focused on. But more than this, I would say there are other things which are more important for our kids and babies, because these things, what I'm gonna say you guys now, these are something that that will stay with your baby, with your kid forever. And it's something very very important. And why I want to focus on this is because most of the parents, they actually don't focus on these things. And first, what I would say is the nature. Actually, it gives a lot of things for us as well, and also for our kids. And we all know that when we feel stressed out and when we see something greenery, or trees or nature, we immediately start feeling calmer and peaceful. And so is our kids, even they do feel the same. And when you take them to nature, right, they observe a lot of things, like they see birds, they see animals like squirrels, and they see leaves, like different pattern of leaves, different colors of leaves. They hear sounds, like even the bamboo tree in Kaban Park, you might have heard the sounds it makes. It's really amazing. And all this, it's something that your babies, they're building curiosity. So it helps them to build curiosity, and we all know that building curiosity is really important. It plays a very major role in their life, because they start asking questions, and we know that asking question is something really good. And when kids, they start asking question, it's something shows that your kid is trying to know things. A kid is asking because he wants to know if what we are they are seeing, or what they are doing, if it's right or wrong. So they starts understanding things, that what is right, what is wrong, which is very very important. As a kid, it's really a very good thing if a kid is asking a question. And if they are not asking, take them out like this, so that they will start building curiosity, and then they will definitely start asking questions. And also, it supports their brain. taking out also supports their brain development, because outdoor play actually encourages your child, like to solve the problems, and also to start imagining things, and also to learn through small small experiences, like this, like how I took my baby in a toy train, and there is experience that he's learning, like he's checking out the things. I'm talking to him constantly, I'm telling him, just look at that, look at this. And I know that the animals over there, whatever is placed, is all made of clay. But I still am telling my baby that look at the elephant, because it is a resemblance of an elephant. So I'm just telling you, just look at the elephant, because so he knows that okay, that is how the elephant looks. So it's important. Even school also, that is what they're going to teach them. And when we do like this, something experimenting the things, it's way more easier for our kids to learn. And we all know that practical things are very easy for us to learn than theory. So it's really a good experience, and for my baby, and he was really having fun. He was checking out each and everything, he wanted to experience everything. And even when we were riding the train also, he wanted to experience the roller coaster, and he wanted to sit in roller coaster, which is really amazing. I mean, like, he's just 2.5 years old, and he's actually asking me that he wants to sit in roller coaster. And you guys can see that I bought him in the roller coaster, and he's showing that how strong, how brave he is. His bravery is actually increasing. That is something really nice, right? I mean, when he grows up also, he will be a brave guy, which is really good. So any obstacle, any situation comes, he knows how to handle, and he will handle, because he's a brave child, which is really important. All the moms and dads, we definitely want our kids to be brave, which is very very important. And also, you see, if you take your kids out, and if they are someone who throws a lot of tantrums, who has a lot of mood swings, you just see, I mean, when taking to something like this kind of a place, they will have a better mood actually. And their stress also will reduce, it will decrease, because they will start feeling that open space. They will, and because of that open space, they'll start feeling calmer and happier, and it will be really nice. They'll feel very calm. And trust me, your parents, you should definitely try this out. If you have a baby who is just indoor, you see that they will be very cranky, and they'll be always crying. But you take them out every day, and you see the difference in them. They'll be really happier, and they'll be really calm and really composed. And a little bit of tantrum is definitely okay, because all the babies are like that. I mean, they will have a little bit tantrum. We are, as a grown up adults also, we will have a tantrums. So definitely kids will also have. So little bit of tantrum is completely okay, but not too much of it. And also, if you guys can see over here, the dancing toy, if you guys see, my baby is not at all scared. And the other kids and all, they were actually getting scared, and my baby, he's so brave. So that's what I say, right? Like, even parents, they do mistake. They scare kids by ghost or by skeleton, saying, oh my god, the ghost will come, this will come. But that is something wrong, because after 2 years baby completes, they'll start having a nightmares and imagination in the dream. So it's very important, please don't scare your kids with the ghost and skeletons and demons and all, because it's really not good. They will start getting fear, and which is really not right. If you want to scare them about anything, go ahead and scare them with maybe a cockroach or insect, and I think it's completely okay. But please don't scare them with a ghost or a demon and all. It's really not right. It will really put them in a traumatized situation, which is really not good. And also, I want to say is that this kind of a games over here, as you guys can see, it will actually improve your baby's physical development, which we all know, because climbing, sliding, jumping, running, this all are very important, and it makes your kids actually strong. So do take them out, and especially to the parks and the nature. And also, the other thing I want to say is that, as a mom and dad also, I want to say that please take care of your health physically, because there is not that each and every place your kid can go alone. You have to also be with them. Like a place over here, I have seen 2 3 babies falling down, because they have to get down from this place over here where my baby is getting down. And I've seen 2 3 babies falling down, and post that I actually helped them. I held their hand and I brought them down. So it's a humble request to parents as well that please focus on your health, please, and do workout and stay fit for your kids, because they need you. And if we are not going to take care of our health, then who's going to take care of our kids? So please take care of your health, mom and dad, so that you can be there for your kids. I don't leave my kid alone anywhere, let it be a slide or whatsoever. I always be there with him, because this is the age that he needs me to be there with him. And if we neglect that, if we don't be there with them, then definitely they'll fall down, they will get hurt. And this is kind of a hurt that it should not happen. We can avoid the hurt. And so it's important that please stay fit, so that you can go along with them and you can be there with them. Definitely we don't have to come down the slide, but we can at least be there until there, so that they can go down safely and peacefully. And also, don't leave your kids alone at any cost. And it's a humble request to all the moms and dads, please don't leave your kids at any cost. Don't even leave them outside to your neighbor or anybody for that matter, because we know everything, that how the world is there outside and what is happening. So please, I mean, don't trust on anyone. And if you feel that you have to do something very important and there is no other option but to give a phone to your kid, then please go ahead and do that. But don't trust on someone and just leave your kid and do your work, because we don't know what's gonna be next. And it's a humble request to all the moms and dads that please take care of your kids, don't leave them alone anywhere out. Ensure that you're there with them 24/7. And even if you're not able to get a time and take them out also, it's completely okay. But please just don't trust anybody and leave them out anywhere. And wherever you go, just ensure that you are able to see your kid and your kid is in your surroundings. And don't leave them and sit somewhere and just think that they are playing. No, don't even do that. And it's not at all safe nowhere. I mean, especially the kids area, it's definitely not safe. So please be extremely careful and ensure that you take care of your kid and keep them safe, and also take care of your health and protect your kids always. It is our responsibility. We bought the kids in this world, we bought a baby in this world, so it is our responsibility as a mom and dad to take care of them. So please